2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.